Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? Happy Monday, hope you had a great weekend. Let's jump right into this week's channel shout out. Alright, let's get this shout out rolling. We got a name pop out. And we've got, oh cool, Broseph Russell. I haven't seen a video from you in a while, brother. Hope you're doing alright. I'm not on Facebook as much, nearly as much as I used to. I maybe log in, I don't know, 10 minutes a week to, and a couple at the bottom. Whoops. Guess you'll be drawn another time. Let's see. And we got Broseph's sticker here too, so. Just kind of rolling hand holds. We got, Broseph Russell's right here. We got Adventure Roads, Muskrat Jim, Legend Ron T. Sawyer, Chris's Variety Channel. Excuse me. Open Air Fish Market, Fab Creations, Black and White Fire Starters, and then this joker, this guy here. Right, well, thanks for watching. Just a quick vid for our channel shout out for this week. The end card will have, their channel will be on an end card, plus will be in the description. And also wanted to include, which I didn't do in the last one I shot, because I shot a clean intro and a clean outro, but I wanted to tip my hat to our fine servicemen and women out there, from our recruits clear to our veterans, how much you're appreciated, all the hard work you do. So, and let's not forget, 22 a day should be 0. And as always, thank you very much, and we'll catch you in the next one.